looks like I got another watch. Let's see what came today. This is the 21 Zuan Red Star. This is actually the 1963 Seagull, which is a very cool mechanical chronograph. Typically, mechanical chronographs are extremely expensive, but this is a mechanical chronograph on a budget. So this is a mechanical watch. It's fully mechanical. It is not an automatic and there's no battery. So it must be wound and it will not automatically self-wind with movement. So I'm going to use my Aviate watch, which is a Mecha quartz, to set the time, get that time set, and then we'll play around with some of the chronograph functions. One of the things that drew me to this watch is this open display case in the back. It allows you to see those springs, the gears, the jewels, even the levers. So as you actuate the chronograph movement, you can see those levers moving. This is just a lot of fun. It came with both a leather strap and a nylon NATO strap. I'm going to wear this leather strap for a while just so I can see that movement. It does have a 40mm case. It wears pretty well on my 8-inch wrist. And I'm going to wear this for a few days and do a little follow-up video to tell you how I like it and how it wears. Thanks for watching.